on burning fat.
No, man, not like that.
Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, what the? Alright, let's make sure we never do that. I did say this is gonna be an 8-minute fat burning high intensity workout, but not like that. We're actually gonna work for it. You ready to hear the workout? Let's go. Alright, so this 8-minute follow along workout is gonna consist of 8 exercises, which we're gonna repeat twice. Each exercise is gonna be performed for a maximum effort for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of a recovery. What do I mean by recovery? Well, let's go over the workout. So, first exercise, you have high knees, all right? So for your high knees, I'm gonna want you to stand in place, bring your knees to about hip level, as fast as possible for those 20 seconds. Right when we get to those 10 seconds, this is where the recovery starts, and we're not gonna come to a complete stop. We're gonna go into a slight jog, okay? So we're never actually going to stop. All right, so for the next 8 minutes, we're gonna be moving constantly, fat burning, high intensity. Let's go, okay? On to exercise 2, which is the side skiers. So we're gonna go side, really explode, explode, shoot your hip back, explode, all right? Followed by those 10 seconds. On to exercise 3, which we're gonna go into a sprawl. So I'm gonna give you front and side view. Hands down, feet down, and up. Notice how it was somewhat like a burpee, but my chest didn't go all the way down and I didn't jump, okay? Side view. Up, okay? Fourth exercise, shoulder taps. Back on that push-up position. So you're gonna tap your shoulder, tap your shoulder. Side view, tap your shoulder, tap your shoulder. For those 20 seconds, you're trying to tap your shoulders as fast as possible, keeping that core nice and tight, trying to stay away from the momentum, okay? You wanna stay nice and tight and try to avoid the rocking of the hips, all right? On to exercise 5, and it's jumping lunges. So front view, lunge position, explode, explode, side view. Good, right? If you find those too difficult, then what I want you to do is just go into a reverse lunge. Reverse lunge. Being that it's 20 seconds, I just need you to speed it up, okay? Then we're gonna go into pulsing squats. So you're gonna get into a squat position, but you're never really gonna come up. I want the pulse at the bottom. So we're getting below parallel, pulse, 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 really feeling that burn on the quads, okay? On to exercise 7, which is mountain climber. So from view, push your position again, but instead of bringing the knees to the chest, we're gonna go towards the side. So opposite elbow. Opposite elbow, side view. And remember, you're trying to move as quickly as possible for those 20 seconds into that 10-second recovery jog, and on to our last exercise, exercise 8, which is push-up to plank position. So push-up position, into plank position, right back into push-up position. Side view, push-up position, plank, push-up position, transitioning as fast as possible for those 20 seconds, coming back into that 10-second recovery jog, and then repeating everything for one more round. That will complete our 8-minute fat burning high intensity workout. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. yourselves a round of applause. All right, if you watch the video and you're gonna do the workout, whether it's at home, at the gym, or at the park with your buddies, make sure to watch the full video, right? For 8 minutes, you're non-stop moving, okay? If you noticed, I did some exercises in the front and side of you, all right? That's not part of the workout, it's just for you guys so you guys can see my form, see how I'm doing it, and make sure you guys are doing it correct on your own, okay? All right, guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit me with a like. If you haven't yet, smash the subscribe button, tap that little bell next to it so you guys get notified when I post my videos. All right, any specific topics you guys want me to talk about, make sure to let me know in the comments below. If you like these body weight workouts that you can perform at home or anywhere in general, please let me know so I can keep bringing these for you guys. As for now, I post a brand new video every single Monday. Make sure to follow me at my social media on Instagram at GC3Fitness. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Let's go.
Getting stuck, I see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water isn't parted, we run, we put you so